Imagine a rocket so big and powerful that it could one day take people to the moon, Mars, and maybe even beyond. That's what SpaceX is building. It's called Starship, and it's the tallest and most powerful rocket ever made. But there's a catch, it's not perfect yet. Some test flights have ended in huge explosions. Even so, the team keeps learning from each failure, trying again and again to improve it. Now, the US government has given SpaceX permission to try another flight at the end of May 2025. This time, they plan to reuse a part of the rocket called the booster, which would be a big step forward. But because the rocket is so big and fast, the area where it might drop debris if something goes wrong is now even larger than before, up to 1,600 nautical miles, or nearly 3,000 kilometers. That's a sign of just how powerful and risky this rocket is. The dream behind Starship is huge. Elon Musk wants it to be fully reusable, meaning it could be used again and again like a plane. Most rockets today can only be used once, which makes space travel expensive. Starship could lower those costs a lot. The rocket has two main parts, a giant booster that helps it launch, and a spaceship that sits on top. Both parts are supposed to land back on Earth after launch so they can be used again. But getting it to work isn't easy. Several tests have already failed. Some rockets exploded in the air while others didn't reach space. Still, SpaceX learns from each test. They take what went wrong, fix it, and try again. That's how they've gotten better over time. The next launch will test if they can use the same booster a second time. If it works, it will prove that Starship is moving closer to being truly reusable. Why does this matter? Because if Starship works as planned, it could change space travel forever. It could make it much cheaper to send things into space. That means we could send more satellites, build bases on the moon, and maybe even send people to Mars. It could also help give internet to parts of the world that don't have it by launching lots of satellites into orbit. But there are concerns too. The rocket is huge, and when it launches, it creates a lot of noise, heat, and pollution. Some people worry about the environment. Others are concerned about safety, especially since the area where the rocket might crash is now even bigger. There's also the question of whether private companies should lead space travel instead of governments. Still, many experts believe that Starship is an important step forward. Yes, it's risky. Yes, it's expensive. But pushing the limits is how we learn and grow. SpaceX wants to go fast and take big risks, while others prefer to go slowly and safely. Both approaches have their place. In the end, Starship could help us reach new worlds, or it could teach us important lessons, even if it doesn't work right away. Either way, we're living in a time where the future of space is being built right in front of us. What do you think? Will we see humans on Mars in our lifetime? Will rockets like Starship make space travel normal? Or is this just a dream that's too dangerous to chase? Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this story, hit like and subscribe for more videos that explore how technology is shaping our